Have you ever been peacefully asleep in the middle of the night only to be jolted awake by that sudden stabbing pain in your leg? The kind that twists your calf muscle so tight it feels like it is about to snap, leaving you gasping and reaching desperately for relief. In the dark, wondering why it keeps happening and wishing you could stop it once and for all. If that sounds familiar, please stay with me because in the next few minutes we are going to talk about something that could change your nights forever, especially if you are a senior or caring for someone who is. I want you to listen closely because what I am about to share is not some random internet trick, but real science-backed information about how your body works and how a few simple foods eaten before bed could make those painful night cramps disappear or at least ease them greatly. Please take a moment right now to type in the comments if you or someone you love struggles with leg cramps at night, because sharing your story might help another senior out there who feels alone in this. Now, before we dive in, let me paint a picture of what happens inside your body when those cramps strike. Your muscles work by contracting and relaxing in perfect rhythm, powered by tiny electrical impulses that rely on minerals called electrolytes, mainly magnesium, potassium, calcium, and sodium. These minerals act like the batteries of your body, keeping your muscles and nerves communicating smoothly. Potassium, our kidney, which regulate these minerals, become less efficient. We might also take medications like diuretics for blood pressure or statins for cholesterol that flush out these important nutrients. Add dehydration, less muscle mass, and slower circulation to the mix, and you have the perfect recipe for a sudden, excruciating cramp at 2 a.m. That is why understanding what you eat before bed becomes so powerful. Food is not just fuel. Eating medicine is in body work and heal. So, let us talk about 5 foods that can help you prevent leg cramps before they even begin. But do not just listen passively while you watch. Please comment which one you are most excited to try tonight, because your feedback helps others learn too. The first food is banana, and there is a good reason people call it nature's energy bar. Bananas are loaded with potassium, a mineral that helps your muscles relax after contracting. Potassium keeps the tiny electrical currents that control your muscles flowing evenly, preventing spasms that lead to painful cramps. Think of potassium as the peacekeeper of your muscles. It balances out sodium, prevents fluid loss, and ensures that your muscle cells do not fire uncontrollably. Eating 1 banana an hour before bed can give your body enough of this mineral to help muscles stay calm during the night. But for some seniors who may have kidney issues or need to watch potassium intake, do talk to your doctor first. The second food is Greek yogurt, a creamy, delicious, protein-packed bedtime snack that does more than satisfy your taste buds. Greek yogurt is rich in calcium, which is vital for the muscle contraction and relaxation cycle. Without enough calcium, your muscles cannot release properly after tightening, and that is when a cramp can strike. Calcium also works closely with magnesium, another key mineral found in yogurt, to help nerve signals travel smoothly from your brain to your muscles. Imagine calcium as the bridge and magnesium as the traffic light, coordinating how and when your muscles move. Having a small bowl of Greek yogurt before bed can restore balance to this system and even promote better sleep thanks to its amino acid tryptophan, which helps your brain produce serotonin and melatonin, your body's natural sleep hormones. If you are lactose intolerant, A lactose-free yogurt or a fortified almond yogurt can provide similar benefits. Now, let us move to the third food, spinach. You might have grown up hearing it was good for strength, and it turns out Popeye was right after all. Spinach is loaded with magnesium, one of the most important minerals for preventing cramps. Magnesium acts as a natural muscle relaxant. It helps your muscle fibers release tension after contraction, preventing them from locking up painfully. Seniors often have lower magnesium levels due to reduced absorption or medication interference, so eating magnesium-rich foods like spinach, kale, or Swiss chard before bed can make a major difference. If you lightly saute spinach in olive oil or blend it into a smoothie with banana and yogurt, you are giving your body a powerful anti-cramp cocktail before bedtime. The fourth food may surprise you: almonds. These crunchy little nuts are nutritional powerhouses packed with magnesium, potassium, and healthy fats that improve circulation. Poor blood flow in the legs is one of the major causes of nighttime cramps, especially in older adults, because the muscles do not get enough oxygen. The healthy fats in almonds support your heart and vascular system, helping blood move more efficiently through your legs. A small handful, a budis to 15 almond, before bed can boost magnesium and improve muscle function. You can even soak them in water overnight to make them easier to digest. Plus, almonds help regulate blood sugar, and stable blood sugar levels at night mean fewer disruptions in nerve function that could trigger cramps. The fifth and final food might sound old-fashioned, but has real science behind it: tart cherry juice. This juice contains natural compounds called anthocyanins that reduce inflammation and muscle damage. It also helps your body produce more melatonin, the hormone that tells your brain it is time to sleep. Studies have shown that athletes who drink tart cherry juice recover faster from intense exercise and have fewer cramps. For seniors, it can be a gentle, natural way to relax muscles and promote deep sleep. A small glass before bed can make your legs feel more relaxed and less likely to seize up in the middle of the night. But make sure you choose unsweetened tart cherry juice, not the sugary kind, because too much sugar can cause dehydration, which worsens cramps. Now, let me tell you a story about one of my patients, Mary, a 74-year-old grandmother from Ohio who used to dread going to bed because of her leg cramps. She said it felt like someone twisting her muscles with a wrench, and she would wake up crying, rubbing her legs for hours. When she came to me, we did blood tests and found she was low in magnesium and slightly dehydrated. Instead of giving her pills right away, I asked her to start eating a banana and a few almonds an hour before bed, and to drink a small glass of tart cherry juice. Within me almost and tears team to relief. She said, "Doctor, I slept all night for the first time in months." Her story is not unique. I have seen hundreds of seniors who changed their evening habits and found real relief. If you are watching this and thinking, could it really be that simple? I want you to know that sometimes the most powerful changes start with small daily habits. Leg cramps are not just about muscle spasms. They are messages from your body that something is out of balance, maybe low minerals, maybe dehydration, maybe poor circulation. Your body is trying to talk to you, and when you listen, it rewards you with peace and rest. So, tonight, instead of just hoping you will not wake up in pain, take control. Have a small, balanced bedtime snack: half a banana, a spoon of yogurt, a few almonds, maybe a few spinach leaves or a sip of tart cherry juice. Then, drink a glass of water to stay hydrated. Over time, these small actions help restore your muscle and nerve balance, making nights peaceful again. Also, here is something most people do not realize. Stretching gently before bed can supercharge the effect of these foods. When you stretch your calves and thighs, you increase blood flow and help your muscles absorb nutrients better. Think of it as sending those minerals right where they are needed most. Combine this with the right bedtime foods, and you will create a natural rhythm your body can rely on. Now, I want to hear from you. Please go down to the comments and share what has helped you with leg cramps. Have you tried any of these foods before? Which one are you planning to try tonight? Your experience might inspire another senior watching this video who feels hopeless. And if you have a loved one, maybe a parent or grandparent, who wakes up in pain at night, please share this video with them. You might just change their life. If you found this information helpful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe, because I post health tips every week designed especially for seniors. We talk about natural ways to improve sleep, energy, and mobility so you can live your best years without pain or fear. Remember, your health is your story, and every small step you take brings you closer to peace. Your body is an incredible machine built to heal itself if you give it the right tools. Food, hydration, movement, rest, they all work together like instruments in an orchestra. When one is out of tune, you feel it, but when they play together, your body sings in harmony. So tonight, give your body what it needs to make that music again. Do not let cramps steal your rest, your peace, or your confidence. You deserve nights of calm, sleep, and mornings full of energy. As you finish watching, breath, feel your leg, let's remind yourself at any. Let your next bedtime be the first step toward freedom from pain. Eat these 5 foods, hydrate, stretch, and trust that your body knows what to do. I believe in you, and if no one told you today, you are stronger than you think. Thank you for spending this time with me, and do not forget to comment below because I read every single one, and your story matters. Sleep well, stay healthy, and may every night from now on be cramp-free.